Hey friends, if you wish to add or remove programs in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. To add a program, simply open Microsoft Store. Now search for the program. Let's say it's ShareX. Okay. For the sake of this example, let me try some other screenshot tool. So simply click on get or install, whatever option you see here, and let it install. This is the best way to install it, but you can also install it through other options. Okay. Now, once this is sorted, let us say you wish to remove a program. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then you can sort it by date installed or something else, and then you can click on the program that you wish to uninstall and then remove it from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.